Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've been searching for a legit way to make money online without showing your face, without creating your own product, and without needing any experience, then this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down a program called AI Cash Machines by Zach. In this video, I will cover what AI Cash Machines is, who is this for, what you get inside the program, how much it costs, any upsells that you might expect, commission structure, and my experience and bonuses. So what exactly is AI Cash Machine? AI Cash Machine is an affiliate marketing system built by Zach Crawford, a successful online entrepreneur who has made over 10 million in digital marketing. The whole system is designed to help beginners to earn commissions by promoting a done-for-you funnel powered by artificial intelligence. And you will bring in the traffic to this funnel, okay? And Zach and the team, the system, will do all the selling. So you can go and check out the sale page. I really like this funnel because it's a high converting funnel. All right. So who is perfect for AI Cash Machine? People who are brand new to making money online, or anyone who doesn't want to show their face on camera, and even experienced marketers who want a plug-and-play system to earn more. Or this is important. If you're building a following on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, or you plan to, then this system is right for you. Because I'm building the same thing and I realized that it's crucially important for you to have your own traffic site that you can drive tons of leads and eventually sales. And you can promote anything that you like and people will buy from you. You need to build that authority, okay? And now AI is dominating the digital marketing world, and if you don't jump into it, you are behind, all right? So now let's take a look at what you can get inside the program. You can get the full access to the AI Cash Machine system, the step-by-step video training to get started, done for you funnel. And of course, this is a high converting funnel that I already told you. You can get the content strategies to drive traffic with short form videos. It is dominating social media right now, short form videos. And you will get email marketing set up with pre-written sequences and a community support and Zach's coaching insights as well. And now most of us will get the $27 product. It's the front end offer, and you will get a done for you funnel that's already tested and optimized, and of course you will earn commission for this, and we will take a look at it after this. You also get the step-by-step training to help you set up everything. You need strategies to use AI for content, lead generation, automation. You see, this is a lot, but you have to put in the work. You have to learn, right? And you will see the insights on how to create viral content using faceless reels or short videos. All the tech stuff is simplified, and you don't need to do any coding. You don't need to build websites or do anything that is too complicated, because he does all for you. And now let's take a look at AI Cash Machine here. I already bought it, and you can see it have 4 modules here. The first one is Affiliate Foundation, where he'll cover how to make 1K a day as an affiliate and how to get your affiliate link. And you also get the 7-day fast start plan and done for you prompts and templates. Next, you will learn the Copier Millionaire. You will learn how to create short videos, okay? And this is interesting. You can download his video. He's allowed you to use his content mode. You can upload his video on your social media, all right? And you will learn how to edit his video with CapCut, and you will learn how to post with journaling and a call to action. And the next part is the POP.AI content engine. So the main software that he's teaching in this program is POP.AI. And of course, this one costs money. It's optional to you to use it or not. Finally, it's the Instagram mastery. And this is the part that I'm really interested in. You always have the question that should you start a new account or should you keep the old one? You will learn how to optimize your profile. You will learn how to use Instagram to the real style and there are a lot insights because he's a beast in this game, and he has trained a lot of people make 6 or 7 figures online. So if you are new here, you should put in the time to learn. Now let's take a look at how much the whole funnel costs. Are there any upsells? Let's be honest, this is the funnel, and the funnel is built to have upsells. Okay, you should be expecting it. It's just a common thing in the digital marketing world where the funnel is built to upsell people. And we are digital marketers and we know how it works. And now let's take a look inside. First, we have the $27 front end offer. It's an AI and affiliate blueprint and real system. Next is $197 upsell one. It's called the Decade in a Day Advanced Training and Automation Templates. The upsell number 2 is cost $297. It's the digital course vault where you can access to all current and future courses. And next is the backend offer, Millionaire Challenge System Coaching Program. This one is sold by Zoom call. The whole cost for the funnel is $521. Now let's take a real look at the funnel. The first page right here, the 27 front end offer, and you can see I really love this page because it's really high converting with all information that when I first landed in this page and I really want to purchase it. So I think, wow, this is something I really want to work on. I've been looking for this funnel for a long time, and now I have a $10 million income earner build it for me, and I can just plug in and play. The first upsell is the Decade in a Day offer, and you can see here, unlock the shortcuts to 50K per month while working less. Here you will get his proven execution plan, the done for you real service and DM scripts that generate 1 to 5K in sales, even if you are stuck at content or selling. And this one has 30-day money back guarantee. And the first one here, it has 180-day money back guarantee. This is so generous in the world of digital marketing where most of products are non-refundable. And he's so confident in his product and he gives the money back guarantee for almost everything. The next upsells is his entire vault for $297. You can get access to all of his digital courses, including the high ticket only programs, and you will get future releases automatically added. You will never have to pay for products again. Bundle worth of $5,000 into a vault. This one is also backed by the 30-day money back guaranteed. And the last one is his coaching program, where you will work with him one-on-one until you hit 250K. And I haven't done this yet, so I cannot tell you now. I just, 7 days in, so I just take things step by step. And once I have the information, I will definitely put on my YouTube channel to share with you. Okay, so far if you love this video, please give me a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for doing that because it means a lot to me. The question is, do you need to purchase the upsells to earn commission? And the answer is no. Okay, so this is the commission breakdown. You will earn 50% for the front end funnel, which means for the $27, you will earn $13.50 in commission. And after you made 50 sale, it will pump another $6 more. And from the sale 51, you will start earning $19.50 per sale. And for someone who purchased the Decade in a Day, you earn $98.50. The digital course vault, you earn $148.50. So the total front end funnel will make you $266.50 per customer. And this is the part which is different. If you don't get his coaching program, you still earn $100 in commission. But if you got his program, you will get to earn more commission. It could be 2K, 3K, or 5K. It depends. But if you don't buy those upsells, it's not a problem because you can still earn $1,266.50 in commission per customer. That's insane. And that's why he called the AI cash machine system is a step-by-step blueprint that shows your audience how to make $1,000 per day using AI and free Instagram traffic. So if you've been watching this far and you decided to get AI cash machine from my link, I put the link in the description below, you will get access to my exclusive bonus funnel, including my done for you funnel. It's a pre-framed funnel to get leads before we send it to the system. I will make another video sharing with you the viral traffic method to get 10 to 100 leads a day with free traffic on Instagram. So we will need to use a funnel like this. And you will also get my high converting capture page and email sequence as well. I will give you 100 faceless reels so you can start posting right away, so you can kickstart your content, your page, okay? And I will give you my pre-written ManyChat sequence for automation. If you want to get 100 leads a day, we don't want to manually check one of them. We need to put it on automation. And I also give you my POR Canva guide where you can rebrand as your own. It's my affiliate marketing guide to passive income. You can get it at my dailypaysite.com. Next, you will get my entire email marketing funnel. You can get from Zach and from me as well. And you can also get access to my private school community for support as well. And here you can take a look at how it is, okay? Everything will be in my school community. I just promoted for just 6 days and I made over $260. I promoted on Instagram. Instagram pushes my reels to people who are interested in making money online. When they click my link and enter their email, they go through this funnel. And Zach does all the selling. I just focus on traffic and I just get paid commission. And yesterday I just made $100 from cold traffic, and this is amazing. Is AI cash machine worth it? In my opinion, absolutely yes, especially for beginners or anyone who wants a faceless way to make money online. You get a powerful funnel, expert selling, and tons of support for me to hit the ground running. And if you are ready to start, just click the link in the description, grab your spot, and don't forget to claim your bonus funnel. Make sure you DM me on my Facebook to get your bonuses. Thank you for watching. This is Sydney from WorkWithSydney.com, and bye-bye.